9th standard video class, geography video class. Let's continue our third lesson, exogenetic process part 1. Okay, lessons part 1 is there, but videos same lesson we are continuing, hence this video is having second part. First lessons, lesson number 3rd, exogenetic process, first part, and this video is second. Okay, so let's start. Dear students, two simple activity you have to do. Take a glass of water and put a chalk in it. You have to take a glass of water and you have to put a chalk in it. Next day, observe what has happened to that water. Did you see the change in water color? Yes, water's color is changed. What happened to the chalk? Chalk get dissolved in the water. So the simple activity you have to do. And second simple activity you have to do, that is wrap few nails in a wet cloth. Take wet cloth. Wet cloth means गीला कपड़ा लेना है, and you have to wrap iron nails in that wet cloth. Open the cloth after 2 days and observe what happens and find answers. Okay, after 2 days, observe and find. Are there any stains on the cloth? Yes, you will get to see red brownish stains on the cloth. What could be the reason? Okay, what could be the reason? Reason is it happens due to chemical weathering. Okay, chemical reaction takes place between iron and water, and iron oxide is formed, hence that cloth get stains. Let's study geographical explanation after these activities. Water plays an important role in chemical weathering. Water plays an important role in chemical weathering. Rock is mixture of many minerals, many things dissolved in water, and other solutions also. Area which receives heavy rainfall, chemical weathering occurs. During rainfall, rain and atmospheric CO2, carbon dioxide, react with each other and carbonic acid is formed. Limestone type of rock get dissolved in carbonic acid. Water plus CO2 forms carbonic acid. H2O plus CO2 forms H2CO3. H2CO3 is a carbonic acid. Limestone is formed from solidification of dissolved material, and it is called precipitation. Solidification of dissolved material is called precipitation. Hence, limestone is formed from precipitation. Okay, in Maharashtra, Vadgaon Darya place is there, which is in Ahmednagar district. Here, limestone forms due to precipitation and again undergoes chemical weathering. You will get to see limestone in Vadgaon Darya, Ahmednagar district, and this limestone undergo chemical weathering, and due to this weathering, rock becomes brittle. Brittle means what? Easily breaks. The thing which is easily breaks, like glass, it is called brittle. So chemical weathering takes place with limestone rock, and this limestone becomes brittle. Figure 3.7 is of stalactite in Vadgaon Darya, Ahmednagar. Stalactite figure is there. So oxidation is a chemical weathering. Oxidation takes place in such rock which contain iron. Iron in the rock and water reacts with each other, and reddish colored layer forms on the rock. Reddish color layer is called rust. When you have kept nails in wet cloth, you have seen a red colored stain on the cloth, and that is an oxidation reaction. Salt which we eat daily becomes wet. Apple slice becomes brown. These are the examples of oxidation. So rocks get oxidized, and it is called chemical weathering. So let's study about biological weathering. Rocks breaks due to biological weathering. Weathering means breaking of rock, and rock get break due to biological weathering. Due to the roots of trees, weathering takes place. Rock pieces get separated due to the roots of trees. As roots grows bigger, and tension creates in rock, and rocks start breaking. You can see figure 3.8, biological weathering due to the roots of plants. Ants makes large ant hills. Mice, rabbit, worms, insects make burrows. These animals are called burrowing animals because of algae, moss, lichen, and other plants. Fungi grow in rocks and cause weathering. See figure 3.9 on page number 27. So students, let's study about mass movement or a mass weathering, mass wasting, mass movements or mass wasting. Okay, weathering rock particles moves along the slope for years. You can understand slope. So weathering rock particles, rocks which are bricks, their pieces moves along the slopes since years and form a hip at the foothills. Okay, moving down of weathering particles due to of gravity, it is called mass movement. When rock particles moves along the slope and forms heap along the foothills, it is called mass movement. There are two types of mass movements: rapid mass movements and slow mass movement. Rapid mass movement occurs region having humid climate and steeper slope. Rapid means fast. Rock particle falls fast. Okay, it is called rapid mass movements, and such rapid mass movements takes place where the climate is humid and slopes are steeper. Rock falls, landslides, land subsidize occurs rapidly. Landsliding means sudden fall of land or rock from steep slope is called landslide. And land subsidence means sinking of land into the earth's surface. Sinking of the earth's surface is called land subsidence. Okay, rockfall means pieces of rock get separated, get detached and slides along the slope. It is called rockfall. These withered materials forms thick layers on the slope, and when it rains in such areas, rainwater penetrates in the withered material and their weight increases. The withered material move very rapidly and come down the slope. We may know the mudslide at Malin village of Pune district. Okay, sometimes withered materials do not move downward, do not move downward, do not sink. They do not sink. Okay, instew means they remains where they are. जहाँ है वो वही रहते हैं, and this is called slumping. You can see slumping diagram on page number. Okay, 3.10 diagram is of slumping. Okay, such rapid mass movements may occur because of earthquake also. So we will study slow mass movements. In dry and gentle slopes, mass movements occurs slowly. Means pieces of rock they fall slowly along the gentle slopes. Okay, paraglacial region means the region we are having frozen grounds. जहाँ ऐसी land जहाँ पे ice है. So the land which is having ice or the frozen grounds. Okay, due to cold climate, it is called paraglacial region. Paraglacial region means जहाँ पे बर्फ है, जो land पे बहुत सारा बर्फ रहता है, ऐसी जगह को paraglacial region बोलते हैं. So paraglacial region where the region having frozen grounds due to cold climate. Paraglacial region along the slopes, small layers of soil accumulate because of the movement of soil, and this is called solifluction. Okay, small layers of soil accumulate because of movement of soil. It is called solifluction. See figure 3.11. Okay, rockfall. Okay, 3.12 figure is landslide. Rockfall is a rapid mass movement. 3.11 is a rockfall mass movement and it is a rapid mass movement. 3.12 is a landslide, and a landslide is also a rapid mass movement. 3.13 figure is there, that is solifluction, and this solifluction is a slower mass movements. What is meant by erosion? Erosion means washing, removing, flowing, blowing of top layer of soil. It is called erosion. When soil moves, washes, removes and flows and blows due to rainwater, due to wind, okay, it is called soil erosion. And this erosion soil erosion causes due to wind, due to running water, due to glacier, due to sea water and due to rainwater. And we are going to study these agents of erosion and landforms produced by them in next video. Till that, thank you.